Chord variation in music, an easy guide for beginners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of chord variation in music. This topic is not only crucial for understanding music theory but also immensely helpful for those learning to play musical instruments. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of chord variation together. Before we delve into chord variations, it's essential to understand what a chord is. In music, a chord is a group of notes played together to create harmony. These notes are typically played simultaneously and form the foundation of most musical pieces. Chords are like the building blocks of a song, giving it structure and mood. Now, let's talk about chord variation. A chord variation involves changing a chord's structure by altering, adding, or omitting some of its notes. This technique is used to create different sounds and emotions within a piece of music. Chord variations can range from simple to complex, and they play a vital role in adding depth and character to music. Major and minor variations. Major chords are bright and happy, while minor chords are more somber and melancholic. Switching a chord from major to minor, or vice versa, can dramatically change the feel of a song. Adding notes. 7th, 9th, 11th chords. Adding extra notes like the 7th, 9th, or 11th can create richer, more complex chords. These are often used in jazz and blues to add a layer of sophistication. Suspended and diminished chords. Suspended chords create a sense of anticipation, while diminished chords offer a tense, unstable sound. These variations are great for creating specific moods in a composition. Understanding chord variations is not just theoretical, it's also highly practical. Musicians use these variations to create unique arrangements of existing songs, compose new music with varied emotional tones, improvise during live performances, giving a fresh feel to familiar tunes. I hope this video has shed some light on the concept of chord variation and its importance in music. Remember, experimenting with different chord variations can open up a whole new world of musical expression. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to try out new variations in your music. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of music.